सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। Chapter 9, verse number 12. मोघाशामोघकर्माणः मोघज्ञानाविचेतसः राक्षसीमासुरीं चैव प्रकृतिं मोहिनीं श्रिताः। In this 9th chapter, Lord Krishna is giving the secret and sacred knowledge. That knowledge is the higher nature of Ishvara or Para Prakriti. Higher nature of Ishvara, Para Prakriti, is all pervading. In Purana, they call it as Ishvara. It is all pervading. Here, one important point we have to note. Ishvara means not that Trimurtis, Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara. We are not talking about that Ishvara. Maheshwara. Generally, when we say Ishvara means immediately Lord Shiva we take. Whenever we use the word, the Ishvara, in Vedanta class, how we have to understand? Ishvara means Maya Sahitam Brahma. Ishvara in Vedanta class, Maya Sahitam Brahma. Brahman with Maya Shakti is called Ishvara. After becoming that Ishvara, becoming in inverted commas, there is no becoming. When that Ishvara use his Maya Shakti to create, that Ishvara is called Brahma. When Ishvara use his Maya Shakti to create this universe, he alone is called. He means who? That Maya Sahitam Brahma, Sagunam Brahma. Or we can call it as Ishvara. Sagunam Brahma or Ishvara. When he is creating, what name we are giving to that Ishvara? Brahmaji. Same Ishvara who has taken up the job of creation called as Brahmaji, when he is the cause of the sustenance of this universe, Ade Brahmaji, doing different job. What is his name? Vishnu. Same Ishvara, while creating, is called Brahmaji. Same Brahmaji, when he is doing sustenance, ordainer, that Brahmaji alone is called Vishnu, who is none other than Ishvara. When the dissolution take place, Pralaya Kala, the same Vishnu is called as Shiva, Maheshwara. So all these three names to whom we are giving? Maya Sahitam Brahma, Sagunam Brahma Ishvara. In the basic knowledge is required, okay? Maya Sahitam Brahma, he is called Ishvara. That Ishvara alone doing three types of jobs here. Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara. This Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara alone is called what you can call Saguna Ishvara manifestations. You can take later Rama, Krishna, Devi, Vinayaka, Hanuman, so many, Muppatti Mukkodi. Beginning from the three Devatas first. Trimurtis onwards. 33 crores of gods. All are from whom? Maya Sahitam Brahma. Since Maya is close to Brahmaji, all these names and forms are temporary. Maya is his power. Whose power? Brahman's power. So that Maya and Brahman means consciousness, Chaitanyam, Atma. Itna perana chollikkalam, okay? Brahman means Atma, or Chaitanyam, or consciousness, or Satchit Ananda Nirgunam Brahma. Once using the Maya power, these two are coming, inhering in all of these Muppatti Mukkodi or not? Tell me now. The Maya Sahitam Brahma is nothing but இது வரைக்கும் நல்லா இருக்க சுவாமினி மல்லி திருப்பி கொஞ்சம் இதை கஷ்டமா இருக்கான்னு இங்கதான் புரிஞ்சுக்கணும். சைத்தன்யம் கான்ஷியஸ்னஸ் பிளஸ் மாயா மேட்டர். Once from this Maya Sahitam Brahma alone, Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara, Muppatti Mukkodi, Devatas and the whole creation has come. That means in this whole creation, in Ishvara, all these Devatas, Muppatti Mukkodi Devatas, whatever I am seeing in this creation, what must be there? Brahman plus Maya. Whole universe is Brahman plus Maya. Maya tatamidam sarvam jagadavyakta murtina. They all are nothing but my manifestation alone. So whatever I am seeing is Brahman plus Nama Rupa Maya. In the ரெண்டுல எது சத்தியம் எது மித்யா? இங்கதான் இப்போ third stage. What is real, what is unreal? Lord says, Maya is dependently existing on me, Brahman. Therefore, Maya is unreal, Nama Rupam are unreal. And the Satchit Chaitanyam irukkilayyo, adida unmai, real. Are you getting the point? You have to see the whole list. Maya Sahitam Brahma, Saguna Ishvara to Trimurtis, from Trimurtis to all other gods, manifestations. Then from that Akasha, Vayu, Agni, Panchabhutas, then human beings, all other beings, all species. Therefore, Hindus, we say what? Bhagavan is everywhere. This is no more a lip movement. Understand? It's not no more a lip movement. Bhagavan is everything with understanding. Maya Sahitam Brahma Chaitanyam is pervading throughout the whole creation. Therefore, everywhere Bhagavan alone is there in different forms. Since Bhagavan means Maya Sahitam Brahma, Chaitanyam plus matter, consciousness plus matter or spirit and matter, this body is included in this world or not? Included. Body, mind, complex, நான் கூட இந்த உலகத்தில் ஒரு பாகம். அப்போ என்ன அர்த்தம்? In this body also, that Satchitananda must be there and Maya also must be there. That Maya க்கு என்ன பேரு? பிரகிருதி. எத்தனை குணங்கள் இருக்க மாயக்குள்ள? 3 குணங்கள். What are those gunas? Sattva, Rajas, Tamo guna. So that Sattva, Rajas, Tamo guna always fluctuating, mind also fluctuating, body also is changing because of Maya. What is not changing? I am not changing. The consciousness is not changing, but this body changing or not? ஐயோ தெரியறது சுவாமினி, நல்லா தெரியறது. Changing, mind changing. This changing mind and body are unreal. The one who is experiencing the changing body, changing mind is non-changing, changeless. So the experiencer I the experiencer, who is watching the changing mind, who is observing the changing mind. Whose mind? My own mind. Observing my own mind, changing mind. Are you observing or not? All of us are observing the mind. Changing body, you are observing or not? We are observing. So the observer I, in childhood, youth, and old age, coming old age, observer, is there any change in the I, the observer? நல்லா யோசிச்சு பாருங்க. சுவாமினிக்காக தலை ஆடக்கூடாது, நமக்கு புரிஞ்சுட்டு. The observerல no change, but that observed bodyல change இருக்கு, observed mindல change இருக்கு. That's whatever is changing is unreal, Maya, Asat, Mithya. Whatever is not changing is Satyam, Nityam. So the consciousness is not changing, therefore I am Nityam. Nityam means I am immortal. I have no death at all. See, the body has death, mind also has declension, therefore I observe them. This is a Jadapadartham. Really speaking, I am manifesting in this body-mind complex. What are all there in this body? OC, Satchit Ananda, OC, my original nature. சொல்லுங்க, ஃபேக்காவது சொல்லுங்க. இன்னும் கான்ஃபிடென்ஸ் வரலன்னாக்க பரவாயில்ல, ஃபேக் இட் அண்ட் மேக் இட். I, the Satchit Ananda, giving sentiency to this body, mind, complex. So, whenever I say I am, what are all there now? OC is there, RC is there, RM is there. 3 are there. And which one is real and which one is unreal in the OC, RC, RM? RM gross body is unreal. RM2 Sukshma Shariram, RM2 Sukshma Shariram is also unreal. And the Sukshma Shariratikulla reflect ahara Chidabhasa irukkiyo reflection, RC, that is also unreal. Who is real? OC is real. So unreal RC, RM you want to claim as yourself, or real OC Satchit Ananda Swarupam you want to claim. If you want to claim RM and RC, life is struggle. There is a problem, there is a misery in the life, samsara chakram. If you say, I am body, I am the mind. If you want to be free from struggle, sorrow, dukkham, all these things, worry, death, everything, insecurity, unhappiness, you have to claim, I am Osi. How to do this job? Cognitively. Cognitive change. That's all. You need not do anything. There is no external change in you. There is no event. It will happen. Just internally, intellectually, you understand. Clearly you understand. Crystal clear understanding will take place. Therefore, Arjuna, I, the Satchit Ananda Swarupam, existent consciousness principle, which is infinite, pervading everywhere in every name and form. Behind every name and form. So, intelligent people, wise people attend Bhagavad Gita class and understand. One day or other they understand it, definitely. But who cannot understand? Moghasha, mogha karmanaha. That is the shlokam. This is the background. Okay. Who cannot understand, Arjuna? Look into the shloka. Moghasha. Vichetasaha. Indiscriminate people. Vichetasaha means indiscriminate people. Who are all those indiscriminate people? From 632 up to now, whatever I have explained, whoever do not know this RC, OC, RM clearly, they are all called avivekis, indiscriminate people. The jnaname illadavan, atma anatma viveka rahitaha. Avichetasaha. Vichetasaha. Not only that, moghashaha. Because of this indiscrimination, what will happen? They are all full of vain hopes. Asha means hope. Desire. What are all they are going to get because of that? Moghaha. Useless. Benefitless. Futile. Worthless. All their actions are vridha. They don't give any security to them. Their asha, their desire, their hopes will never give ananda to them. Their hopes will never give satisfaction to them. Their hopes will never give peace to them. Therefore, when those hopes are not giving peace, happiness, security, they are useless. Hopes are hopeless. All hopes are hopeless. Why? They are indiscriminate people. They do not know this. Not only that, mogha karmanaha. Because of this aviveka, indiscrimination, because of wrong hopes, what they do? They do only useless actions. Mogha karmanaha. Their actions are also only useless. Because they never recognize this. There is Satchit Ananda Swarupam is there, Ishvara Swarupam is there in this body. Let me take care of that. I am that Brahma Swarupam, Ishvara Swarupam, my real nature. When they do not know, once I miss this Satyam part, that means what I have taken? Mithya part real. Working for that Mithya. What? Body, mind. Working for that, struggling for that, trying to adjust the body, mind, trying to adjust the people's body, mind, trying to adjust all people's mind. Even mind, even adjust panna theriyala. And doing lot of Agnihotra, karmas, etc., puja adikam, rituals and all. What for they are doing? For this body, for this mind alone they are doing. forgetting the original Atma Swarup. That Ishvara, forgetting the Ishvara inside, Maya Sahitam Brahma, they are doing only to this Mithya body mind complex ke ella rituals panninde irpan. Even walking for what? Slim trim. To enjoy more material benefits. Walking and trimming your body to be healthy, not to show my beauty. That health for spiritual upliftment. But these people won't do that because avivekis. Therefore, they take only useless actions. Ada mogha karmanaha. Then mogha jnanaha. Their knowledge is what knowledge? The flesh and blood sick body, which is full of doshas. And idike throughout the day they spend the time. They spend the time more and more to this body. And connected people to this body. Wife, husband, children, family members, always taking care of this body, its possessions. And this much only they have knowledge. How to develop more and more materialistic way. Mundane, worldly pleasures they want to accumulate more and more, they want to enjoy. This is called Mogha Jnana. Not Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma Varad. Ishvara Jnaname ille ivanik. Adinal Mogha Jnana. Spending whole time from morning to till night. In earning. For what? Saving. For what? Old age. For old age sake. For the grandchildren's sake. For all people's sake. For my own better future. They are struggling. And struggling, and one day pop off. With struggle. With the kavalai. Out too much of fear. Ennagumo life lo. Idida mogha jnana. Mogha karmanaha, mogha asha, mogha jnanaha. Shritaha. By taking to this, resorting to futile actions, futile hopes, useless and only materialistic knowledge, Shritaha. What is that nature? Such a type of people's nature is Rakshasim, Asurim cha eva. They are all called Rakshasas. Their nature is called Rakshasic nature. Rakshasic and Rajasic nature. See, Bhagavan says all human beings are divided into two. Brihadaranyaka Upanishad also we are taking. From Prajapati, we are seeing 16th chapter also Bhagavan says. All the human beings are divided into two groups. Devas and Asuras. Samskrita Purushaha, Prakrita Purushaha. In human beings itself, there are Samskrita Purushaha like you, people. Samskrita Purushaha, mature, refined people. Devaha, who is having discriminative power. There are other people, Arjuna, Asuraha. In the Asuras, two types. Devaha, Asuras means Rakshasaha, another division. These Deva type of human beings are Sattvic predominant people. Sattva Guna Pradhanam. In the Asuras, Rajasic Guna Pradhana people are called Rakshasas. Tamasic nature predominant people are called Asuras. Asushu Ramante iti Asuraha. The people who are reveling in sense pleasures all the time. Rakshasic nature and Asuric nature. In 16th chapter, Bhagavan is going to elaborately explain what is Asuric nature, what is Rakshasa nature, demonic nature. He is going to elaborate there. Prakritim Mohinim Sritaha. Their nature is Asura's nature is deluded nature. Rakshasim Asurim. Rajasic nature and Tamasic nature, their character is, Prakriti, Swabhava is deluded by that Rajoguna and Tamoguna. Shankaracharya beautifully writes there. What they always talk, these people, Rajasic people and Tamasic people, predominant Rakshasas and Asuras, what they talk? I am not talking Rakshasas, Asuras somewhere. In human beings, always they talk. Chindi, bhindi, always. Piba, drink more and more. Kavo pivo and cholramilio, adi madre. Drink more and more, eat more and more, enjoy more and more, and kill many people, destroy people, hurt the people. Chindi, bhindi, piba, and always talking this only. அவன் எப்படி கட் த்ரோட் பண்ணணும், மாஃபியா எப்படி பண்ணணும், எப்படி ஹவு டு மேனிப்புலேட் த திங்ஸ், எப்படி இவன் சீட் பண்ணி somehow I want to come up, இதுதான் பேசிகிட்டே இருப்பான். That type of people, they are all called what? Rakshasas and Asuras, deluded people. Hey Arjuna, they can never know this truth. But who can know this truth? I will tell you. See, in the 13th sloka, there are Daivi Sampat people. Now we'll read the sloka. Mahatmanastu mam partha Daivim prakritim ashritaha Bhajantyananya manasaha Jnatva bhutadimam avyayam. So Puranic Ishvara is called Brahman in Vedanta. Mahatmanaha is opposite to Moghasha, Mogha Karmanaha. Their people are Rajoguna, Tamoguna, Pradhana people. Now Lord Krishna talking about Sattva-guna Pradhana people. Their lifestyle is different, sattvic, very calm, quiet, good nature, and they have some sensitive mind, they have some thinking capacity, and they are free from kama, krodha. Too much kama, krodha won't be there. They are very, very sober, and they are very, very pious. Mahatmanaha. Mahan Atma Yasya Saha. Te Mahatmanaha Sattva Pradhana Purushaha. Noble souls. Punyavantaha. Shankaracharya says Punyavantaha means those who have done lot of punya karmas in their previous janma. That's why they attend Bhagavad Gita class. They love to attend, they want to study regularly, sincerely. Okay. Punyavantaha. Mahatmanaha. Mam Daivim Prakritim Ashritaha. They resort to me. Ashritaha means resort to me. Having taken to Ashritaha, taking shelter in me. What type of me? Daivim Prakritim. The Prakritilone, Maya Prakriti, 3 divisions. Sattva, Rajas, Tamo Guna. Rajoguna, Tamoguna predominant in away from the God. Sattva Guna Pradhana in close to the God. You are very, very dear to the Lord and Artham. Those people are also near to the Lord, but they can never be dear to the Lord. Why near to the Lord? Because Ishvara, Brahma Chaitanyam is there in them also. In criminal also Brahma Chaitanyam is there. A person, whoever is having evil tendencies also, there is Ishvara, Atma Chaitanyam is there. But they do not recognize that. Missing who is very close to them, proximate, but they never recognize. Because of what? Rakshasic pravritti, prakriti, tamasic prakriti. They never speak softly, satyam, speaking truth, following values, understanding others, accommodating others, forgiving others, respecting others, not looking down upon himself or herself. All positive virtues called Daivi Sampat. This is the Bijam seed for 16th chapter. Mylapore students can connect. Ennamo Daivi Rakshasi, angiyum irukku, ingiyum irukku, ella confusion. Okay. Daivim Prakriti means Sattva Guna Pradhana. By doing what they do, Sattva Guna Pradhana people, they do Panchamaha Yajnas, Daiva Puja, Shastra Pathanam, Bhuta Yajnam, Manusha Yajnam, Rishi Yajnam. They respect whatever prescribed by the Shastra. And Shankaracharya writes, they maintain mental discipline, Shama, mind control. They will never allow the mind to go as it desire, whims and fancies and all, they don't allow. And Dhamma, Indriya Nigraha is there, disciplined sense organs, what to see, what not to see in the TV programs, what to eat, what not to eat. Every pizza corner ku pomata, they don't sit everywhere, footpath lo ukkandi saaptinde irukkiradhu, idella panna maata. Dhamma is there. While talking also they have control, what to talk, what not to talk, they have control, Dhamma. In sense pleasures also, what is right, what is wrong also they know. This is called Dhamma, Shama, Dhamma. And Shraddha they are having, faith in Shastra, faith in Ishvara, Bhagavan, Puja, worship, Dhyanam, Japam, Ashtanga Yoga, everything they follow. They never lose sight of these disciplines. Regularly they practice. All are called Daivim Prakriti. They take to resort to divine nature. And Jnatva, having known me, having known Avyayam Bhutadim. Because of these Daivi Sampat, they come to know my real nature. Bhutadim Avyayam means imperishable. Anantaha, infinite. Bhutadim means Jagat Karanam. Karanam of all these beings. Causeless cause. 5 elements also. Tasmadva etasmad atmana akashas sambhutaha akashad vayuhu vayoragnihi agnirapaha adbhyah prithvi prithivya oshadhiyah oshadhibhyon annam annat purushaha. Human beings. All the 5 elements onwards up to human beings, they recognize that how they have come. First half an hour Swamini is talking, no? That's what they know, that how it has come. And the Avyayam Bhutadim Osi, they know. They know means what know? What spelling? K-N-O-W. Okay. Bhutadim Avyayam Gnatva, having known me, the real nature, what? Maya Sahitam Brahma, they understand. Mahatmanaha Mam Bhajanti, they worship me. With this attitude they worship me. With this attitude, they come to what? Tirupati. They come to Sabarimalai. With this attitude, they come to all pilgrimage centers. With this attitude, they worship me in all forms. They continue the worship. Nothing wrong in that. And they take care of their life, family, children, household duties also with this knowledge. Jnatva bhajanti means they follow all the rules and regulations and they become model in this society. Father is a model to the next generation. Such a mother is a model to the next generation. Grandparents, Mahatmanaha, grandparents are models to the next generation. They worship me with this attitude. Bhajanti mam sevanten. Therefore, how they worship me? They worship indeed to ananya manasaha, without any disturbed mind, undistracted mind. Sandehame kadiyadu idella. இந்த காட் இருக்காரா இல்லையா, எப்படி இருக்காரு, எங்க இருக்காரு, இந்த மாதிரி எல்லாம் சந்தேகமே கிடையாது. ஸோ அன்டிஸ்ட்ராக்டட் மைண்ட், அனன்ய மனசா. ந வித்யதே அன்யஹ புருஷார்த்தா யஸ்ய சஹ. Shankaracharya translate this word ananya manasaha means who is not having any other goal than moksha. Anyaha purusharthaha na vidyate. Dharma, punyam is also meant for moksha. Earning money is also for the sake of moksha. And fulfilling basic needs, desires and all only meant for moksha. That purushartha's sake he does all these things. He never lose sight of. There is no second thought. Moksham venduma vendama. In the மாதிரி சந்தேகம்ல வராது. I know what I want. I know what is the purpose of human life. I am very, very firm. I am very confident. Ishvara's grace is there. I am born as a human being. I want moksha, liberation. For that sake, Bhagavan will take care of me. So I know what type of lifestyle I have to lead. There is no distracted mind. Never slip off from the goal. Ananya manasaha mam bhajanti. With this undistracted mind, they worship me. And they don't change me. ஒரு நாளுக்கு ஒரு God. They don't change like this. Artha artharthi jignasu jnanina. These bhaktas, Mahatmanaha, are jignasu bhaktas. Not artha bhakta, artharthi bhakta. Artha bhakta means Ishvara bhakti is the solution for this samsara problem. இந்த ஈஸ்வர பக்தியில கூட எப்படிப்பட்ட ஈஸ்வர பக்தி அதை நம்ம புரிஞ்சுக்கணும். ஓகே, கேர் ஆஃப் 7th chapter. He said in the 7th chapter 16th shloka, Arto jignasurartharthi jnani cha bharatarshava. This bhakta, noble soul, is a jignasu bhakta. He is trying to understand my para prakriti. Definitely he will come to know me. I am no more a means for him. He is not a artha bhakta. He is not a artharthi bhakta. He is not asking for anything. He is not a sakama bhakta. God is not a means. God is not a something I want to enjoy. Motive. Some motive, some agenda. ஒன்றும் கிடையாது. Only moksha he wants. Kamya karma are also not there. Jignasu bhakta. Only chitta shuddhi sake he does puja, punaskaram, etc. Jnana yogyata prapyartham he does all his actions. Then after jnana yogyata what comes? Guru, shastram, jnana, moksha. So therefore, he become a jnani bhakta later. Next shloka we will read. Shloka number 14. सततं कीर्तयन्तो माम् यतन्तश्च दृढौ व्रताः नमस्यन्तश्च मां भक्त्या नित्ययुक्ता उपासते. Now those bhaktas are described here. Mam bhajanti, Krishna said, they worship me. They worship me means they are all my devotees. Bhaktas, how they worship me? What type of sadhanas they take to worship me? Lord Krishna says all are very important shlokas. With avyabhicharini bhakti satatam mam kirtayantaha. Point number 1. First sadhanam is what? Satatam kirtayantaha. They are always glorifying me, praising me. Always they say, you are getting everything is because of grace of God, he says. எப்பவுமே வாய் திறந்த எல்லாருடைய கடவுளுடைய அனுகிரகம், எல்லாமே கடவுள் உடைய அனுகிரகம் சொல்லிண்டே இருப்பான். That is called satatam kirtayantaha. They praise the Lord and they glorify him and they feel the presence of God in every experience. And that is called real glorification. நமக்கு எப்போ நல்ல கஷ்டம் வந்தால் தான் பகவானே ஞாபகம் வருவான் நிறைய பேருக்கு. நார்மல் கஷ்டம் கூட இல்லை. It has to come in such a way you cannot withstand. அப்போதான் பகவானே ஞாபகம் வருவா. And they start praising Vishnu Sahasranama, Archana. Navavida Bhakti is there. That Navavida Bhakti, they people worship the Lord in so many ways. What is the starting? That mantra Shravanam, Kirtanam, Vishnoho, Smaranam, Pada Sevanam, Archanam, Vandanam, Dasyam, Sakhyam, Atmani Vedanam. You can worship the Lord in 9 ways. ஏதோ ஒன்று போதும் சரியா பண்ணினா. Shravanam, listen about the God always. Wherever people are talking about God, give your ear to that. Shravanam pannu. In Vedanta class also, what you are listening? About Ishvara only. So Shravanam. Kirtanam, having listened to that Lord, my God, what such a great Lord. Kirtana pannu. Sing the Kirtanas. குரல் நல்லா இருக்காது சுவாமினி, மை வாய்ஸ் என்ன. Play the cassette, CD play பண்ணு. தியாகராஜ கீர்த்தனை. There are many singers, musicians who sang so many kirtanas. Play them, listen to them. Kirtanam பண்றது. Just one sloka enough, no? Shuklam Vardharam Vishnum Seshuvarnam Chaturubhujam. இது கூட கீர்த்தனை தான். One type of praising the Lord. யாதேவி சர்வபூதேஷு சக்தி ரூபேண சம்ஸ்திதா நமஸ்தஸ்யை 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 நமோ நமஹ. இது என்ன கீர்த்தனம்? கீர்த்திக்கிறது பகவான், புகழ்னா புகழ் பண்றதுன்னா. தட் இஸ் ஸ்ரவணம், கீர்த்தனம். விஷ்ணோஹோ மீன்ஸ் விஷ்ணு, சிவா, தேவி, எனி லார்ட். தென் ஸ்மரணம், ரிமெம்பரிங் த லார்ட் ஆல் த டைம். All the time remembering the Lord. While cooking, while eating, while walking, while talking, while taking bath, while drinking. Drinking what? Water. While drinking water. Whatever I am doing, whenever I am, whatever I am doing, Smaranam, remember the Lord. How can I miss the Lord? He is part of all my routine work. I remember him. மறக்கவே முடியாது. அப்படி இருக்கணும். நம்ம என்ன மறக்காமல் இருக்கோம்? அவன் ஏதோ சொன்னா சுவாமினி மறக்கவே முடியல. Somebody criticized me, somebody blamed ஏதோ ஒன்று சொன்னான், சென்ஷோர் சம் வார்த்தை ஏதோ சொன்னேன், மறக்கவே முடியலன்னா. அப்படி பகவானை பற்றி சொல்லக்கூடாதோ? ஐ எம் நாட் ஏபிள் டு ஃபர்கெட் மை கிராண்ட் சன், மறக்கவே முடியலன்னா. பகவானை பற்றி யாராவது சொல்றானா? அந்த அம்பாளே அப்படியே முன்னாடி நிற்கிறதுன்னு சொல்லணும். ராமா அப்படியே கண்ணு முன்னாடி. யாரா சொல்றா? சுவாமினி கிட்ட ஒன்று சொல்றது சொன்ன எவ்வளவு ஆனந்தமா இருக்கும். அப்படியே நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டெப் என்னன்னா, டோர் ஸ்டெப் என்ன, அகம் பிரம்மாஸ்மி. இப்படி சொல்லவும் மாட்டோம், அது ஞானமும் வரமாட்டேங்கிறது நமக்கு. அதுதான் கஷ்டம். ஸ்மரணம், பாத சேவனம். அவருக்கு போய் பாத சேவனம் பண்ணு. பத்திரம் புஷ்பம் பலம் தோயம், ஒரு பத்திரமாவது போடு, துளசி தளம் போடு, பில்வ தளம் போடு, ஒரு புஷ்பம் போடு. டேக் ஒன் புஷ்ப அண்ட் புட் இன் ஃப்ரண்ட் ஆஃப் த லார்ட். பாத சேவனம். தென் அர்ச்சனம். டூ லாட் ஆஃப் அர்ச்சனா. மானசிகமா அர்ச்சனா பண்ணு. பூ வாங்குறதுக்கு பணம் இல்லைன்னா மானசிகமா அர்ச்சனை பண்ணு. விஷ்ணு சஹஸ்ரநாம அர்ச்சனை பண்ணு, லலிதா சஹஸ்ரநாம அர்ச்சனை பண்ணு. அர்ச்சனம், வந்தனம். டூ நமஸ்காரம் again and again internally at least. Oh Bhagavan, I am showing my gratitude to you. I am very thankful to you. You have given me everything. வந்தனம் வந்தனம். இந்த வந்தனம் கூட இப்படி இப்படி ஏதோ பண்ணும். இப்படி இப்படி பண்ணுறதோ, இப்படி இப்படி பண்ணுறதோ. என்ன இது? இது கூட இல்லை, இப்படி ஏதோ என்னமோ தெரியல, எங்கெங்கமோ தொட. வந்தனம் என்ன, சாஷ்டாங்க நமஸ்காரம் பண்ண வேண்டாமோ? எல்லா இடத்துலயும் சாஷ்டாங்க நமஸ்காரம் பண்ணலன்னா கூட கணேசம் இப்படி கை கும்பிடலாம் இல்லையோ, தலை பெண்ட் பண்ணி. வந்தனம். தாஸ்யம், சர்வ் த காட் லைக் எ சர்வெண்ட். How you are serving to your children, serving to your husband or wife, serving to the parents, other people. Serve the Lord, serve with the temples. Take care of that. Bhagavan also need upacharam. நார்த் இந்தியா கொசு எல்லாம் போடுவா பகவானுக்கு. கொசு வலை, கொசு வலை தெரியுமா? பகவான் கொசு கடிக்குமோன்னு கொசு வலை. அண்ட் தே கீப் பகவான் பில்லோ, ஒரு பில்லோ, ஒரு பெட் ஸ்டிச் பண்ணுவான். அதுக்கு தாகி பகவான் ஊஞ்சல் தூங்குறதுக்காக. இதெல்லாம் என்னன்னா தாஸ்யம். அண்ட் ஒன் ஸ்டூடெண்ட் டோல்ட் மீ, சுவாமினி பகவான் போட்டோ அண்ணால் we should not laminate. அவர் காத்து வராதா? அதனால கண்ணாடி முன்னாடி பின்னாடி கண்ணாடி போட்டு ஃப்ரேம் பண்ணணுமா. இட் இஸ் சென்டிமெண்ட் ஃபார் ஹிம். ஆமா, அந்த உயிர் இருக்கிற பகவான் அப்படி லேமினேட் பண்ண எப்படி பிராணம், ஆக்சிஜன் சப்ளை போக வேண்டாமோ? குட், தட் சென்டிமெண்ட் இஸ் குட், இருக்கட்டும். பீப்புள் ஆர் ஃபீலிங். அது தப்பா ரைட்டா நான் சொல்லலை. பகவானே கொடுக்குறாரு காத்து எல்லாமே, அவருக்கு லேமினேஷன் போகணுமா போகாதா என்ன, அது வேற விஷயம். அந்த நம்பிக்கை பாருங்க. So that is a dasyam, seva. Archanam, vandanam, dasyam, sakyam. Takes the Bhagavan as your friend, always walking along with you as your friend. Sakyam. How can I be alone? He's always walking with me like a good friend. Sakyam. That's what Gopikas look at Lord Krishna as friend. Sakhya bhakti. Hanuman look at that Rama as Sakhya bhakti, friend. You can take the Bhagavan as friend. Vandanam, Dasyam, Sakyam. Last one is Atma Nivedanam. I give tan, man, dhan, sab kuch tera. All my mind, body, mind, money, wealth, everything, whatever I possess, everything is you. பூஜ்ய சுவாமி சொன்ன மாதிரி இன்னைக்கு பாடுவா, நாளைக்கு கூட அதே பாடுறான். இன்னைக்கு எல்லாமே தன்னு மண்ணு சபு குச்சி தேரான்னு பாடிட்ட பகவானுக்கு ரொம்ப ஆனந்தமா இருந்ததா. நெக்ஸ்ட் டே பார்த்தா மறுபடி திருப்பி அதே பாட்டை பாடுறான். எஸ்டர்டே ஹஸ் கிவன் டு மீ, ஹவ் ஹி கேன் கிவ் நெக்ஸ்ட் டே? அப்படி என்ன அர்த்தம்? ஒன்னும் கொடுக்கல, ஆத்ம நிவேதனமும் பண்ணல, ஒன்னும் கொடுக்கல. வெர்பல்லி ஹிஸ் சிங்கிங், புரியாமலே பாடுறது. ஸோ தேர்ஃபோர் யூ Navavida Bhakti, we can take Bhagavan in so many ways we can worship the Lord. ஆனந்தமாக இருக்கும், இமோஷனல் ப்ராப்ளம்ஸே வராது. ஆக்சுவலாக இந்த டிப்ரெஷன், அப்ரெஷன், சப்ரெஷன் ஏன் வருதுன்னா இந்த நவவேத பக்தியில் ஒன்றுமே இல்லைன்னா வந்துடும். நிஜமாக சொல்கிறேன், இந்த நவவேத பக்தியில் ஒன்று கூட இல்லாமல் இருந்தாதான் ப்ராப்ளம்ஸே வரும். Therefore Lord Krishna says, Satatam kirtayantaha mam yatantascha. They put effort. Yatantaha. They use their free will. And dhridavrataha. Dhridam sthiram achanchalyam vratam yeshante. Who are committed to resolve with a firm decision for higher purpose. Dridhamana vratam. Take a vow to attain that paraprakriti jnanam, vijnanam. Then what they do? Namasyantaha mam. They always surrender to me. They seek my grace. Seeking grace, my grace also, surrendering to me, seeking my grace also. This is called jignasu bhakti. Bhaktya, with devotion. Nitya yuktaha, ever committed to, ever steadfast. Those steadfast people, nitya yuktaha, committed people, devotees, mam upasate, they worship me with firm determination. They worship me with free will. They use their free will. Purusha prayatnam. Free will means what? Purusha prayatnam. Ellame Bhagavan தான். They are not fatalistic. They use their willpower. All the time. Not once in a while. Not artha bhakti, artharthi bhakti. புரியுறதா? ஆர்த்த பக்தின்னா கஷ்டமாக இருக்கும்போது, ஆர்த்தமாக இருக்கும்போது, ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்கும்போது பக்தி. அர்த்தார்த்தி மீன்ஸ் வென் ஐ வாண்ட் சம்திங் தென் ஒன்லி ஐ யூஸ் த லார்ட். அப்படி கிடையாது. Satatam. When things are fine also remembering God. When things are not fine also remembering the God. Satatam. Kirtayantaha dhridavrataha namasyantaha bhaktya mam nityayuktaha upasate. Hey Arjuna, these people are called Mahatmanaha Sattva-guna Pradhanaha. They alone. And the next shloka Bhagavan says how they look at the Lord. This is all, these are the sadhanas. Free will, worshipping the Lord, surrendering to the Lord. How they look at the Lord in the 15th shloka. He says, Jnana yagnena chapyanyem यजन्तो मामुपासते एकत्वेन पृथक्त्वेन बहुधा विश्वतोमुखम्. My bhakta says, I have Ishvara's grace totally. He always says that. எனக்கு ரொம்ப பகவானுடைய அனுகிரகம் நல்லா இருக்கு சுவாமினி అని சொல்லுவா. Real those who are having bhakti, confidence on Ishvara's grace, they never say என்னமோ அந்த பகவான் கருணை எப்போ வருமோ, கட்டாட்சம் எப்போ வருமோ అని சொல்ல மாட்டா. He always say Bhagavan's grace is there for me all the time అని சொல்லிண்டே இருப்பான். நான் எவ்வளோ நம்பிக்கை பாருங்க. Now Lord Krishna dividing the bhaktas in 3 types now. The tripas ன்னு சொல்லுவான். Tripasana 3 divisions he shows. Jnana yagnena anne yajantaha mam upasate. Mam upasate, they worship me. Number 1, Jnana Yagnena. First type of bhaktas are, they worship me, worshipping through Jnana Yajna. వేదాంత విచార అనర్థం. జ్ఞానయజ్ఞేన అన్యే అపి some other people, अन्ये च अपि, and some other people, bahudha mam upasate. They think of me. Mam means Ishwaram. Ishwaram means which Ishvara? Maya Sagunam Brahma. Maya Sahitam Brahma Saguna Ishvara. They think of me. Mam upasate, mam Ishwaram upasate, bahudha, by seeing me in different ways, in different forms. Then Vishwato mukham bahudha mam upasate. Some other people ekatvena pruthatvena, they worship me in many ways as different from themselves. See, those who worship me in many ways, there are two types. Ekatvena, only one form they take. The Ekarupa Ishvara Bhakti. Only one form. Rama alone is God. Mathavangalla your servants. Ramarku servants and cholva. Some people say Krishna alone is God. What about others? They are all subservient to Krishna. They are called Ekatvena. Ekarupa Ishvara Upasana. What about other gods? They are also gods, but not powerful like my Anjaneya. Enna Anjaneya? Mailapura Anjaneya. Adenappa Anjaneya and solli malli Mailapura Anjaneya. Amma, there is Nanganallur Anjaneya. కుழப்பం. సరే వెచ్చుకో అని భగవాన్ కూడా వెచ్చుకోపా నీ ఇష్టం అని విట్టిట్టారు. ఏకత్వేన పృథక్త్వేన, డిఫరెంట్ ఫ్రమ్ దెమ్సెల్వ్స్. దిస్ ఏకత్వేన బహుధా, వెన్ దే సీ హౌ దే ఆర్ లుకింగ్ ఎట్ భగవాన్, వాట్ ఈస్ దేర్ పర్స్పెక్టివ్, వ్యూ ఆర్ ఐడియా, భగవాన్ ఈజ్ డిఫరెంట్ ఫ్రమ్ మీ, ఈజ్ సమ్వేర్, ఐఎమ్ హియర్. బట్ జ్ఞాన యోగాలో, జ్ఞాన యజ్ఞంలో ఈజ్ నాట్ డిఫరెంట్ ఫ్రమ్ మీ, ఈజ్ ఇన్ మీ, నాట్ ఓన్లీ ఇన్ మీ, ఈజ్ మీ అలోన్. అద జ్ఞాన యజ్ఞం. హియర్ పృథక్త్వేన బహుధా మీన్స్, దట్స్ వై దోస్ హూ ఆర్ నాట్ బ్రాట్ అప్ విత్ పేరెంట్స్ లవ్, టీచర్స్ లవ్, బ్రదర్స్ లవ్ నాట్ సఫిషియంట్, దే టేక్ ఓన్లీ ఏకరూప ఈశ్వర. They need the emotional support. Ekarupa Ishvara they worship. Those who have received sufficient father's love, mother's love, emotionally they have supported by them, taken care of by them, father, brother or teacher, they go to Vishwarupa Ishvara. They don't want personal God. Because personal attention taken care of, chinna vayasliye. Appo they develop Vishwarupa Bhakti. And Vishwarupa Bhakti nariya munnadi irundadana, they go to Arupa Bhakti, Jnani Bhakti. Therefore, Lord Krishna says, Vishwato Mukham Ekatvena. Either they worship me in multifarious one, ella Bhagavan vechiruppa, equal worshiping. Ellarkume Karpura Arati equal. Vishwato Mukham. Illenna Ekatvena, or middle center point God only showing the Arati. What about others? ఇప్పుడు ఇప్పుడు కై కామిపా అவ்வளோதா. அதுதான் பக்தி. அர்ஜுனா, there are 3 types. ஏகரூப, விஸ்வரூப, அரூப. More in the next class. பூர்ணமத பூர்ணமிதம் பூர்ணாத் பூர்ணமுதச்யதே பூர்ணஸ்ய பூர்ணமாதாய பூர்ணமேவாவசிஷ்யதே. ஓம் சாந்தி சாந்தி சாந்தி. ஹரி ஓம். ஸ்ரீ குருப்யோ நமः. ஹரி ஓம்.